The minute you install the SafeShop Security Defense software, Otto goes to work for you, with no further action required on your part. Still, the Otto SafeShop Dashboard is packed with information you can review at any time. In the stats box at the very top of the screen, Otto provides a running tally both of the events that have been automatically blocked and every single page view we have monitored. Beneath the stats window, you will find open and closed tasks you can review at your leisure. There is no pressure to check this dashboard daily, as Otto is continuously at work blocking bad actors, and the dashboard is simply your event log. When Otto blocks a suspicious event, it will appear and remain in open tasks until you acknowledge it by clicking the green Thanks button. You can review the details of what was blocked and why by clicking the More Info link should you desire to investigate further.
Safe to dance. Oh, it's safe to dance.